Alright everyone, welcome back. So we were waiting for Caleb to get a bunch of parts for this 5-speed Honda transmission, manual transmission rebuild. We need it. Let me just show you. So we needed bearings. This bearing exploded. We also needed a plate, which is on this one. Where's this plate? I'll show you the plate now. He still has it over here. What'd you do with that plate for this transmission? So this was ground away. So we got that used. We're waiting for that. We received that today. We actually inspected the shift forks. Let me just show you. The shift forks have wear. Let me just zoom in. Zoom. So that shift fork's worn. That shift fork's worn. It's not that bad on that side of it. So that's a problem. We have a whole gear set here that we need to break down because we have issues inside of there. Slightly worn shift fork here. See, there's no wear there. Not horrible. But on the other side, so we got some wear there. Zoom. A little bit of wear there. A little bit of wear there. Not so bad. And then this shift fork is beat. Zoom in for you guys. So that shift fork is beat to death. So this shift fork's beat, both sides. One shift fork is not so bad. You can see here, this is good on this one. See ya. This one's good. That one's slightly worn there. This shift fork's slightly worn. So I told Caleb, if you can get new shift forks, get them because these are pretty beat. If not, we can weld them and repair them, but I would rather not do that. We got bearings, we have seals, we have synchronizers on this shaft. Yep, so the synchronizer on this shaft here, it's not a point on that one. That's good. It was only one shaft, right? The one shaft that the bearing didn't break on.
Yeah, that shaft's fine.
So we don't need to do anything on this thing?
No, you only have to rebuild the
because this right here, this brass is a little worn. There.
Yeah, well, this is the one that we gotta.
This is the one that needs to bust it down and fixed.
Yes. This is
and then this one doesn't need a full rebuild.
This one's okay.
So yeah, so
everything looks good to me on that one.
So this had grinding bearing noises.
So I mean, we're gonna
two shift forks are pretty beat. And then this whole thing, which I think is first, second, is basically junk. So we're going to redo this whole shaft here. And this still actually works pretty good. And it's not worn too bad inside of here. I want to take a closer look once I clean it. So we're going to rebuild this whole shaft here. This one we're just going to put bearings on. Hopefully he can find new shift forks. If not, we're going to weld them and repair them, grind them down, make them like new again, which I really don't want to do. Then we have an LSD to do. Gathering parts, but I didn't want you guys to think that we weren't getting to this.
Oh yeah.
So we had to wait for that lock ring to come because you can't get that anywhere, obviously. We got bearings and seals. We have synchronizers, blockers.
We don't have hubs. We don't have gears.
We don't have hubs. We don't need gears. And and I think the hubs will be okay. I would just like to see what they look like when they're clean because it's still dirty. I don't see any wear marks on any of these. And then this one over here looks good too. So I'm going to say I think the hubs are good. It's that. The more parts Caleb gets, the more we'll show you what we're doing. Thanks for watching.